Voila! This is PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so here, so now you can learn clearly about the continents and ocean. Okay, so now you can learn clearly about the concept of continents of the world. Okay, continents and oceans also you can learn very easily. On this PPT, you can learn about very clearly. Okay, so what are continents? Okay, what are continents? I have not said you when I was explaining, right? So let's learn. Continent is one of the several very large land masses of the world. Okay, so as the country, so how can I say you? As the country, so as the country, uh, it is a little, right? It is a little, but where more than a country, this much. See, so much large, okay, so much large land masses is known as a continent. Okay, so much land masses is known as a continent. Okay, large land masses are known as the continent, generally identified by the convention rather than strict criteria. By up to 7 regions are commonly regarded as the continents. 7 regions, as I said, 7 continents. Criteria, not strict that criteria. Okay, that part. Okay, the study part. Okay, that much. And just for naming, but in that we are having so many countries, right? And we in that country so many states, and we have to learn about that. Okay, not now, we'll not learn now, but we have to learn. So that's why this continents that don't have strict criteria. Okay, ordered from largest in size to smallest. Okay, so they are saying that they said these are the continents from first to small, from first to seventh, as I said, Asia, Africa, like that. Okay, so they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Okay, this is the order of the continents. Clear? Yes. Countries are found within continents. Example, Egypt is a country in the continent of Africa. So they are saying that uh, the countries are there in the continents. Okay. See, as you take an example of India is there in the continent Asia, right? India is under the continent Asia. So that's it they are saying. So location of the continents. Okay, these are not oceans are there here because this is a continents PPT. Okay, this is a North America. Okay, this light green part is North America, and this dark green part is South America. This dark red part. See, how can I say? From here to here. It is not this green color part. Leave it. This dark red part is known as Europe. This yellow color part is known as Africa. This light red part is known as Asia. How big it is. This purple color part is known as Australia. This blue color part is known as Antarctica. Let's learn about them. Africa. So first comes our Africa. So Africa is like this when we see on the globe. Globe is a circular, that's why it is like this. Okay. Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent. As I said, it is the second largest continent. First is Asia, and second is Africa. And after Asia, it is most populated. Okay, at about 30.3 million kilometers, including adjacent islands. It covers 6% of Earth's total surface area and 20% of its total land area. Okay, what I am, so how can I say? It covers 6% of the world. So how much the world is this much, and it covers 6%, right? Earth's total area and 20% of its total area. Okay, 20%, and it stretches from it stretches from here to here, and the distance is 30.3 million kilometers. How huge it is, how can I say you? And it covers the adjacent island. So what is an island? Four sides with water. See this. Can you see this one? It is four sides covered with water, and this is a country of Africa. Okay, island of Africa. Earth, okay, and 20% of its area. Okay, this area is there, right? It occupies 20% of its area. Antarctica. So, no, Antarctica is not top like this. Okay, is not to the tip of the earth. It is to the to this south of the earth. Okay, it is to the south of the earth. Okay, it is to the south of the earth. Okay, it is to the south of the earth. Antarctica, the southernmost ocean and site of the south pole. Okay, it is south. Is habitually uninhabited, ice covered lands. It is no population is there. Population is very less, that is as it is very cold. Okay, ice is covered. Area 14 million kilometers, right? Kilometers square. Population density, right? Stations are there in Antarctica. Okay, Asia, the largest continent. It is very exciting to hear about Asia, right? So let's go to the topic. Asia is the Earth's largest and most populous continent, located primarily in the eastern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Area this and population so much. Okay, it is 2016 population, right? After 2016, now the population may be, how can I say you? It may be 10.8 nine, 6, 11, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. How can I say you? It is that much billion population now. It is 2016's population, but now it's 2021. 4 years, 5 years difference, right? Australia. Australia is sometimes known by the name Sahul, right? Sahul. Australia or Magnesia. Australia or Magnesia, to distinguish it from the country of Australia. Okay. Now let me say you this. Okay, this Australia is so this continent name is also Australia, right? So this we call Australia, but we sometimes call Sahul. Okay, Australia and Magnesia. This is the country name, and to difference between the continent and the country. Okay, country. Okay, this country. Okay, understood. So this is the island continent, and the famous animal here is kangaroo. Okay, it is the island continent, and it is full covered four sides with water. So much fun, right? So let's go to the Europe. Wow, London, United Kingdom. Europe is a continent located entirely in the northern hemisphere and mostly in eastern hemisphere. Area this, it is bordered by the Arctic Ocean to the north, the Atlantic Ocean to the west, and Mediterranean the south. Okay, this, wait, okay, this is the S-shaped ocean, and here is the S-shaped ocean sea. This is known as the Mediterranean Ocean to the tip of it. North America. North America is a continent. Um, okay, North America is continent entirely within the northern hemisphere and almost within the western hemisphere. North America covers an area of this. Population is this. To the 2016. See this? Did you see this? This is connecting to the South America, right? Connecting to the South America, and this is known as Isthmus of Panama. What is this known as? Isthmus of Panama. Okay, it is known as the Isthmus of Panama. 11 minutes, okay. South America. South America is continent located in the western hemisphere, mostly in southern hemisphere, with a relatively small portion in the northern hemisphere, bordered on the west by the Pacific Ocean and on the north and east by the Atlantic Ocean. North America and the Caribbean Sea lie to the northwest. Okay, this is a, what is this? This is the Pacific Ocean, and here the sea is what? Caribbean Sea. Caribbean Sea. Okay, Caribbean Sea. So this is the end of the slide. So let's go to the next topic. See, this is the next PPT. Okay, this is the next PPT. Okay, so let's come to the PPT and rock and roll this. The 7 continents. How are they different? So all are continents, right? How are they different? So let's see. Land and water. The earth is mostly water, right? 3 by 4th of the earth is covered in water, right? 3 by 4th of the earth is covered in water. The big bodies of water on earth are called oceans, right? As I said you. The big pieces of land on the earth are called continents. Okay, as we see, what are continents, right? 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Asia, Africa, Australia, Antarctica. North America. This is the continent we live. We live on the Asia continent. Okay, we live on the here. It is wrong. Okay, we live on it is wrong. We live in Asia continent. Okay. The North America is cold in the north and warm in south. Okay, it's very cold in the north and warm in the south. Okay, okay. As here to the north it is very cold, and to the south it is very warm. Okay. Buffaloes live in North America. See, this is a buffalo and it is living in North America. People in North America came here from many other continents. Okay. So, as I said, New York. Many Indians are there in Australia, North America. Okay, many Indians are there in North America. The USA, Mexico, and Canada are the 3 biggest countries in North America. As we say, the United States of America, it is in the North America. In Mexico, it is here, and Canada, it is also in North America. South America. South America is a warm continent, right? Very warm as it is to the south and near to the equator. People there speak mostly Spanish, right? Mostly Spanish, right? Mostly Spanish. The biggest country is Brazil, where people love to play soccer. Soccer is nothing but which is also known as a football. Okay, we it is same like football, not what, not like football. Okay, the Amazon rainforest is in South America. This picture you remember, and it may come for the quiz, right? Europe. There are 47 countries in Europe. People in Europe speak over 50 languages. Wow, so great. 50 languages in the continent they speak. Okay, there are 47 countries in Europe. 47, how much you will think? Countries. The weather is in Europe is similar to North America, cold in the north and south. Okay, this weather is in Europe. To the south it is very cold. To the north it is very cold. To the south it is very warm. Okay, very warm. Okay, but in India there are 126 languages. Okay, 126 languages. When compared to the Europe languages, it is very high. Asia. Asia is the biggest continent and it has the most people. It is very crowded in some time in some parts of Asia, as we see in India, China, right? These are the pictures of China. In India also we see, right? So much crowded. China is one big country in Asia. India is also. Don't forget about India. India is also very big. Now we are beating that China with our hands. Like this will give a punch to that China and they will fall down like anything. Okay, the cool place to visit in Asia is the Great Wall of China. It is built it is the largest structure ever built by the man. So this is the seven wonders of the world, and this is the largest structure, means largest building ever constructed by a man, Okay, and it is one of the seven wonders of the world. Okay. China is also one of the seven wonders of the world. Africa. Africa is a very hot continent. Hot, 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 hot. Because the equator runs through the middle of it. As I said, this is the equator, and equator has the hottest weather. Equator has the hottest weather. Lions live in Africa. See, Africa is same like a zoo. We say that Africa is a zoo continent. Okay. What is a zoo continent? Africa. Okay. Most people in Africa are dark skin and hair. So in Africa, the people are very black because of the climate. When the sun rays fall on the people, they become very dark. They become very dark. The Egyptian pyramids are in Africa. As we saw that example, this Egypt is located in the continent Africa, so that's why we are having pyramids. Australia. Australia is an island continent. An island continent, as I said. The native people in Australia are called aborigines. Okay, aborigines. Okay, aborigines. Okay, aborigines. Okay, native means how can I say? Means like early humans. Okay, some early humans are also alive, and the early humans of Australia are known as aborigines. Okay, other people in Australia are related to criminals sent from Europe long ago. Okay, some people are there which are caged in. Sorry, native people means not only early humans, the other people of Australia which are not criminals. Okay, those are known as aboriginals, and which are caged are known as criminals. Okay, the other people are caged. Okay, means this Australia is British live in Europe, right? And they conquered Australia and they kept in the jail of the Australia, because if we want to, how can I say, if we want to escape from the jail, we have to cross this river, right? Cross this river. Australia is a country, so that's why. Just like that. So we have to cross this river. So we have to cross this river, right? We have to cross this river. So that's why they kept in the Australia. Kangaroos, koalas, and pactors live in Australia. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia. The Barrier Reef, I said the Barrier Reef, right? I said the Barrier Reef, and it is in the Australia. Okay, it is in the Australia, and the Pacific Ocean is a home for Great Barrier Reef. The weather in Australia is very opposite of our weather. Means not so here their weather they are talking about North America. Sorry, I wrote of North America. There it is not opposite. Our climate is okay. Our climate is okay. Our climate is not too cold now. It is warm, okay. And Australia is some cold and hot. Same like Indians, okay. So you can think it is very opposite also. Yeah, it is opposite to our India also. Antarctica. Antarctica is the coldest continent. See the temperature, it came to minus 100. So how cold it is, you only think. Now the helicopter comes, lands. No people live in Antarctica, but some scientists visit to study the animals, the weather all animals. Here we see some lights, those are known as auroras. Okay, so to study that, to study the animals of Antarctica, scientists go there. Many kinds of penguins live in Antarctica. Different jatis will say no. Jatis, different castes of penguins live there. What have you learned? Get ready to take a quiz. Whoa, I did not say you about the quiz, right? Oh, check. So, just you be ready, and I have explained you this. You should get this. Okay. How many continents are there? Oh, 22 minutes. How many continents are there? Same. There are 7 continents. This is not the problem solving. That's why I'm not saying anything. What continent do we live on? USA, Africa. Sorry. One another option is there. That is nothing but Asia. And another option is there, which is nothing but India. Okay, another option is there, which is nothing but India. Okay, what is that? South America, North America, Asia, USA, Asia, India. Okay, yeah, India is the continent where we live. Yes, let's go to the next slide. Oh, that is not India. If you kept India, it is wrong. So they asked the continent, not the country. So we are living on the continent Asia, which is the largest continent. So as we live on that continent, it is Asia, right? Which continent would you visit if you wanted to see the Amazon rainforest? Amazon rainforest. I said you to keep this in your mind, this picture in your mind, and where it is located. It is located in Africa. Okay, that's the zoo we have said, right? It is located in Africa. So let's go to next. Why are there no people in Antarctica? It is because it is very cold, right? Before going to this, I have something to say. What is this? This is not an Africa. If you kept Africa, it is wrong. It is South America. Okay, it is South America. How much of the earth is covered in water? Half, less than half, none, more than half. So I have showed you this much of The earth is covered with water. In the first slide I have showed you, and it is none. Why are there so many different languages spoken in Europe? People don't know, people don't like each other. There are almost 50 countries and many have their own languages. Everyone there speaks English. People in Europe learn to speak Spanish. So, what is the answer? So, the answer is there are almost 50 countries and many have their own language. Okay, this is the answer. So, before going to this, it is not none, it is more than half, because 3 by 4th is more than half. These two are there, right? These two are there, right? This, if these are there, this none, if these three are there, right? If these three are there, this none option is not correct. Okay, if you see, and the 3 by 4th means 1 by 4th is missing, and this 1 by 4th are the continents of continents. Why are there so many? Okay, I have said you which of these animals comes from Australia. I have said you, and in the continents. Okay, what is that? Kangaroo, right? Buffalo is what? Buffalo is North America, lion is Africa, penguin is Antarctica. What are the three biggest countries in North America? Three biggest countries in North America. It is Canada, China, USA. Yes, it is Canada, China, and USA. Right. Why is Africa the hottest continent? Because the equator passes through the Africa. Yeah, if you keep this answer, you are wrong. You are wrong. And but the correct answer is nothing but B. Canada, Mexico, and USA. Great job. And this is the end of the slide. With continents, I will show you with a new PPT. Okay, with a new PPT I will show you after this. So we are having part part 2.2. Okay, 2.2, part 2.2, and then part 3. Okay, part 3. So don't miss this. I may come live. You may miss that. So don't miss it. Bye bye. Thank you.